Here at TMD Motorhomes in Withall, we're delighted to be able to show you around this Swift Kon-Tiki 635 motorhome. It's got 150 brake horsepower, overhead cab, twin single beds at the back, which gives you a massive garage. Have a look round, let us know what you think in the comments below.
Dressed up to stay in. I guess I'll call and ask around to see if someone's sent for the win. And we all got different highs, and no one likes to wait. No patience. It's a death dance. We ain't got nothing to lose. Staring up is what we do. And me and mine, we take what we want. We are the colors, and the middle is no way. We are the highway. We are the highway, and we ain't got nothing to lose. Too cool to be bad, too awesome to be cruel. Fast cars don't.
If you enjoy our videos across social media, there's plenty more for you to see.